Welcome to my bedroom makeover. You can see a little sneak peek behind me what the finished product will look like. I started off probably 6 months ago with this makeover. I feel like I did so many things in this video, but the first thing I started off with was making pillowcases. So I was wondering if we're actually gonna have enough of this fabric, but I think we're gonna be fine. 7 by 46.
On each day you feel like giving up. I pray you find a reason to hold on. Even one thing that can make you smile is a prayer answered, this I know. For each day you've lived is all by grace. So I know that grace.
I just made one. I made the whole, like, a third of the side.
Even though the things that look like hell are all part of God's good story. Oh, I thank God that you're in my life.
I don't know how much I should fill it, but I want them to be like sturdy. But let's see if it's an okay size first. It's so big.
Find a friend who's just like you, 'cause you're wonderfully made as the only you. On days it's hard to leave your bed, know that we still love you just the same. Every heavy weight you've carried here.
Let's put it in the pillows. Okay, I think I filled them as much as I want. They're actually really full. I thought I would use everything, but there's a little bit left. I've been wanting bigger pillows for such a long time. And finally, we have some. They actually look really good. They're very long. Hopefully both of them fit on the bed. Let's see. They actually fit perfectly. And we can sit like this. Pillowcases are too big on these ones as well. But I like to sleep with this one because it has like a hole in the middle here. The rug just arrived, but I'm a little bit scared because it looks very wide. I wanted it to be kind of like an ivory. I don't know where to put this. I guess here. I wanted more of a warm tone, but come out! What is it doing? Get out. Ish. 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 Oh my god. I'm definitely still not used to this carpet. I think it's a bit too white actually. Like, I never thought I would say that, but we'll see, I guess. And I just wanted to mention I also got a calendar. Not really for decorating purposes, but I really needed one. This one is December 23. You get some extra stuff in the back as well. This is a flower fairy calendar, by the way. That's it for today. And by the way, I did add this. I just thought I would put up this one. and that was it, but then I kept on adding. First off is this beautiful blanket. It's so soft and huge. I think it's gonna go really well with our setup. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Now I can take like pretty close-ups with this. And then I was thinking of putting our bunny in front of this. And I also got this aroma stone. So I haven't made the bed, as you can tell. I always want to make the bed straight away, but Piggy always falls asleep. And then I don't want to wake him up just to make the bed, you know? That's pretty, right? I think that's really cute. I'm gonna put this with this bunny in front. Before we get everything, we're going to go eat first. They're over here. So I was just thinking of getting this simple one. This one. Here's the next thing. We're now at a fabric shop, and in the future I want to make our couch with this, do a cover for it. It's probably going to be gone by then. I don't know what this is. One spray can. Day 2 of painting. I'm almost done with all of those. I have some outside, and I'm just gonna paint this and this. Today's Sunday, and I think the bed is completely dry. I'm just a little bit scared because we left it overnight, but sometimes it takes like a week or something for it to fully dry. But I'm gonna start decorating. I know everything is so messy right now. Piggy! Okay. Oh, Piggy. Piggy. Now we can finally open these doors and not have the kitty in the way. Bud. I got the bed canopy and the curtains right here. Piggy! I'm finally gonna show you the room. I've been wanting to show you for quite a long time, but I just didn't have the time to film it. I think my memory card just died, so I'm gonna try to film this on my phone and hopefully it's not too bad quality. So I usually don't have these closed, but I'm gonna have it when I'm filming and also when I'm taking photos, just because I can use it as a background or whatever. But I guess it's not really a part of the bedroom because the doors are behind here. We have 2 sliding doors. Welcome to my bedroom. Hopefully everything's in frame. I have no clue. I guess we'll start off with Piggy's little area. He's sleeping right now. Since it is almost summer season, I did move our Dyson from here to our bunny area and also move this one here. So here is the bed. I put this throw blanket right here. I love it so much. It's so cute when it's like gathered this way. And in the bedroom I try to go for a more warm tone color scheme, like ivory, cream, pink, and also white. So as I said, I put the bunny here with the angel wings behind, which looks really cute. And the pillows that I made are behind here. Hopefully you can see. I kind of don't like their color, but since they're in the back you can't really tell, so I don't mind. I don't know if I showed you, but I put this up here for my partner to put like his headphones and stuff like that. And let's actually turn this on, the light. Before I did have the fairy lights like this, but I took them all the way down here, which I think is really cute. It is double the length, but I like folded it and like twisted them together so there's more lights. And here's my little nightstand. I feel like just by painting this, mostly the bed though, but this as well, it like changed the whole room and I really like it. I put my little card down here and yeah. I actually do like this setup more than before just because it's like more easy to do my makeup right here than when I'm standing. Hopefully I can get a vanity this year. And lastly we have this, my little, I don't even know what to call it, photo wall. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.